Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome you back to this session. We are still on our paper, that is Subsidiary ICT Paper 2, practical, that was 2024. It is Uganda National Examination Board, and we have already gone through, that is number 1, word processing. We have also gone through, that is spreadsheet, number 2, and then today I'm going to take you to the session of number 3, that is PowerPoint or presentation, which is this one, that is, as the president of a wildlife club, you are required to design a presentation of 5 slides to market the Ugandan tourism industry. Question number 1, or question A: using a presentation software, design the slides to include the following. Slide 1, title slide showing the topic and the details of the presenter. So what we are going to do, we are going to come back to our, that is, desktop. We'll look for our folder, that is Mchamzi Faizo 507. We are going to launch or to open Microsoft PowerPoint. We come inside here, right click and say PowerPoint. Still use the same name, we maintain them, Mchamzi Faizo 507. Enter, open. So once it is open, go back to our question. They wanted the first slide to add title and content, so we shall need title and content slide, and they need title slide showing the topic and details of the presenter. So according to the question, it was saying we are going to present the market Uganda tourism industry. So we are going to come back here and type tourism industry in Uganda. Tourism industry. In Uganda. So that is our title. Then the presenter, that is presented by Mchamzi Faizo. The details of the presenter, that is president of all wildlife, president of wildlife club. So that is the details of the presenter, and that is required to be on the title slide, that is the topic and details of the presenter. Slide 2, we are going to come and click, right click here, new slide. That is it is about as NF4 national parks in Uganda and their locations in the tabular form. NF4 national parks in Uganda and their location in a tabular form. Demarcation Falls, Queen Elizabeth, Rwenzori Mountains in the south, being impenetrable. So we're going to select 4 national parks from here and put them in a tabular form. So we're going to come to our slide. We name it title National Parks in Uganda. Then we come here, we get our table from here, that is number of columns. We shall need 2 columns, and rows we shall need like 5 because they wanted 4 national parks. So that is our table. We are going to name it here National Parks. National Parks. Then here we come and put the location. We are going to start with Maxon Falls, that is in northwest. Maxon Falls, that is in northwest. The next one is we have Queen Elizabeth, that is in the southwest. Queen Elizabeth, that is in the southwest. Then we come and get another one here, that is the Ruwenzori Mountains in the south. Ruwenzori Mountains, that is in the south. And lastly, we come and look for one here, that is Bwindi impenetrable forest in southwest. Bwindi impenetrable forest in the west. So those are our national parks in Uganda. We can try to increase the size of the font of this table. So that it's a bit wide. Then we can also come and add the font of the, so that it is clear. Then we go to our next slide. What is it saying? Size 3 tourist attraction at the national parks. Tourist attractions at the national parks. So we are going to give our title tourist attractions at national parks. What are the tourist attractions in national parks? Here we can talk of the wildlife. Those are the lions. We can talk of the other wildlife like gorillas, leopards. We can talk of the gorillas. You can also think of the waterfalls. You can also think of the hot springs. We have mountains. These are the scenarios. We have forests. And so many others. These are all tourist attractions at national parks. Our next questions: challenges encountered in the national parks. So we come and say on another slide, challenges encountered in national parks. We can come here and think of poaching. We can also think of habitat loss. Wildlife trafficking. Of course, we have climate change. we have human life. Of course, we have human wildlife conflict. Lastly, maybe disease transmission. Those might be even others, but these are enough for now. Then after that, go to our next slide. I think our next slide is talking about the conclusion. Give it conclusion, and just type Uganda is a pearl of Africa. So you are always welcome to visit, and that can be our conclusion. Good. Our next step, our part B, insert on any two slides appropriate image from the image folder. Insert on any two slides appropriate images from the image folder. So that means we are going to insert images on only two slides. Images on only two slides. That we can choose this one and this one. This slide 3 and slide 4, for example, tourist attractions. How are we going to do that? We are going to come to our support file, image folder, then we come and check which image can we put here. For example, when you come to tourist attractions in Uganda, this one can be part, this rhino. We can copy it and come to our slide, we paste it. We wanted two images, we can put it around there and try to resize it. Then we come and get another image from our image folders. You can also insert this one. It's a good scenery. You can put it there. Then from there we come to another slide. Maybe there are challenges encountered in national parks. You can come and get some images from here. Now, like this one, these are some of the dangers. You come and paste it here, copy and paste. You can increase on the size of that image. There, I wanted it to. Let's look around here. We can also try to pick this. Wanted any two. You can also come and paste it around here. I'll try to resize it a bit. And that's all. Then after that, let's set a uniform background for the slides. set a uniform background for the slides. So we are going to come to design. We come and select any theme of our choice or design. There are many designs here. We can come and click here. We select any of our choice. I may say this, I may select this, or this. Yes, let's try this. So they wanted a uniform, so you can see it is a uniform. You can go with this. This is good. So this is a uniform design with all slides. Or we may even try to format the background. You can come to solid fill and you change the color to maybe this. Yeah, this format and it's click apply it all. So we have also formatted our background to like that color. Then from there go to the next question. Use transition effects, animation features in the presentation. Use transition effects and animation effects. And after insert on all slides your name and person number. So in order to simplify this, we are going to come and even use the slide master. You're going to come to view. You come and select the slide master to edit all this. You always select the first slide. This is the current one. You're going to first even edit this title. We can try to increase its font. We can try to bold it. Even we may change the font face. We can put a rounded mode. Then from there we can even change the color, maybe to blue. No, blue will be sounding maybe to purple. That is okay. Then from there we can come and also edit, try to increase the font of this text, maybe around there. So from there you can come and try to put the transitions are applied on each slide. We can try to look for any of our, let's try this one. We can use that one. It is uniform. Or we may use this one. We try to select any. Then animations, animations applied on the text or the content, so we select that one. We may use a wipe, for example, that one. For this you can come and select, for example, wheel. Yeah, that one can work. And also you can also try to insert the header, actually the footer, because they wanted our names or slides. Type of charms Faisal. Then I apply it all. Then of course I have to go back and close. I go back to normal. I'm quitting the slide master, then I click normal. So this is our slides. You can try to make this one a bit centered. try to change to bold this one. I center it here also. National parks in Uganda. You can always do whatever you want, so this is just, and you can see our, you can try to enlarge it so that it is visible. Highlight all. You can come here and highlight. Or you can maintain that. So don't forget to save the changes. As you can see, if you come to the next question, after saving the changes, you can try to run it and see. That is it. Present for the club. You're just trying to go through the slideshow. National parks in Uganda. Good. That's good. The transactions. These are the two other transactions. As you can see, the images are started very well. Then challenges encountered at national parks. There comes. So you can always try to organize your slides, and at the conclusion, Uganda is a part of Africa, so welcome. So that is how your slides will look like. So the last question is about save and print the previous as a handout. So you're going to come and on file, and then select print. Remember, they want it as a handout, so you come where there is full page. Here it is a full page, then they wanted it as a handout. You come and select the slide of, like, for example, for us, we had more than 4 slides. That means we're going to use this 6 slide horizontal. Then you check that. So this is how the handout printer looks like. So that means that's how they want you to print your work, so that all slides are arranged on one page. That is these 5 slides, and that is how your work will appear once it is printed on a paper. So then you click print. I wish you all the best.